Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com New York Forex trading session. I'm going to analyze Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market, and I also teach trading with Elliot Wave online course. I also use some Forex day trading systems as well, and I also teach Forex day trading systems course online. So if you are interested, you can check out my website. There are different ways to contact me. Okay, let us take a look at some charts and see what's going on. Okay, let's see what's going on. This is the radar screen indicator which I designed and developed about 15 years ago. So and it's a very handy indicator, only I have it, and this is telling me a bird's eye view, that what is going on with different forex pairs and different time frames. Okay, so pound dollar and pound CHF pairs, they are turning red. Okay, Euro GBP is turning green, and so is the Euro AUD. Okay, so I got an idea. Now let me first talk about the trade. So right over here I took a sell trade in US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair, if you guys remember, and market took out the protective trailing stop. So the trade is now closed with a 3 pips profit, and I am out of the market now. This is the trade down over here, and I tried to enter with another trade but closed that trade a little bit early. So right now I don't have any open trade at this point in time. So this was the US dollar yen trade, which is currently closed, and I will try to open some more trades if I get a trading chance. Okay, go back to the radar screen. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, let us start the analysis from the euro dollar currency pair. Let's see what's going on in euro USD. So euro dollar currency pair, we got a nice bullish leg over here, and I'm basically expecting a top in euro dollar currency pair. Let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. So we got this bullish rally, then a drop in price action. This looks like to me we got a small decline over here, not a big decline. Let us take a look at a 4-hour time, 1-hour chart. Okay, we got this drop in price action over here, and but this is just one candlestick close. Let's see what's going on in a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, in 15 minutes chart we got this breakdown over here, and it took out this old swing low, rallied up, and then we got a new low price action of euro dollar currency pair. Regarding the 1-hour time frame, the way I see, we got this move over here, and it's quite possible that euro is going to drop more. Let us take a look at some other pairs as well. By the way, this is the Elliot wave count in euro dollar currency pair, and this suggests that price action is probably going to rise up over here in euro USD currency pair. This is the alternative Elliott wave count. Now if you take a look at a 1 hour time frame, this is where we got a quick drop in price action over here. Let me highlight this area over here and see what's going on. Okay, we got the drop in price action of euro dollar currency pair, and I think we need to check out the US dollar index as well. The US dollar index is trying to rise up over here. Let's go to a smaller time frame, like a 1 hour time frame, just a retest, that's all. 15 minutes time frame, we got a bullish breakout, then a retest. Now market is trying to rise back up. Let's check out the pound dollar. Pound dollar currency pair is still trying to go up over here. Okay, let's quickly check out the Aussie dollar. 1 hour chart, nothing much going on. 15 minutes time frame. Let's check out the USD Swiss franc. Swiss franc actually took out this low and then rallied back up over here, and this is telling me that market wants to go up in US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, at least on a short term basis. Let me go back to the radar screen. There was a pound dollar setup, I think. Yes, the GBPUSD. Okay, go over to the GBPUSD here and see what's going on. So this is kind of a zigzag we got over here. Let's go over to a 4 hour time frame first. Okay, this is the resistance right over here, and price kind of took out this resistance over here. I don't have any other resistance up there, so if price action is going to turn around, that would be a nice sell in GBPUSD currency pair. But it also depends upon the pattern as well. So far price action just keep going up over here. Okay, GBPJPY and EURUSDCHF. I do not trade the EURUSDCHF, but I can take a look at pound yen. Okay, pound yen is going up and it looks bullish, so this thing is telling me that price wants to go up more. Okay, I'm going to place a sell stop pending order again in US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair around 146.67 area. So 146.67, this is the level right over here in US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. And if price action is going, if price action is going to break below this area, then expect further weakness in price action. Otherwise, wait outside. So here it is, sell limit, sell stop, actually sell stop, pending order at 146.67, I think, level right over here. So I'm looking to re-enter NZDUSD versus Japanese yen currency pair. Currently the trade is not open. I'm not inside the market, I'm outside. Okay, so here's the pending order down over here, 146.67. So US dollar versus Japanese yen. Yen is basically trying to provide us a pullback, but the trend is down actually in USDJPY currency pair. So let's see. So the idea over here is, if price action is going to drop in US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair, then I've placed my sell stop pending order at 146.67 area, and once market is going to fill it, then I will go into the market with the sell trade. So if price action is going to break higher, then obviously I'm going to delete this sell stop pending order. Okay, so regarding the euro dollar currency pair, the way I see, we got quite a bullish over here, and the way I see, GBPUSD is also going up along with euro dollar and Aussie dollar and NZDUSD currency pair. So it's quite possible that we are also going to we're also going to get a top in those pairs as well. So at this point in time, the pound is firing up, and if you look at the euro, which is also going up, we could get a potential top in euro as well as in pound dollar currency pair as well. Okay, I'm going to check out some charts over here. One second. So we have this in euro, and price should close a few more candlesticks below this area. If it happens, then fine, otherwise market could go up more. Okay, and regarding the DX could find some support down over here, and then expect one more drive to the upside. However, the DX should also show us a bullish breakout. So far there is no breakout. Let's go to 1 time frame. So this is the area, 98.34 level in US index. So far no breakout. I think we're going to get a top over here, but so far price is providing kind of a bearish pattern or a sell trade setup over here. A good idea is to wait for the price action to hit this red color highlighted area and then look for a sell trade. Okay, next 15 minutes time frame, it's going up. GBPUSD looks bullish, Aussie dollar looks bullish, and it did hit the old swing high over here. This is what I have mentioned, but it took out the high on a closing basis as well. Okay. Regarding, yes, I will present it. I will present GBPJPY and spot gold. Elliot Wave Forecast. Okay, just stick around and I'm going to share with you my analysis. So Aussie dollar is trying to drop, and I don't see anything over here. Okay, leave the Aussie dollar currency pair for the time being, it looks unclear. NZDUSD, I'm looking for a bullish leg in NZDUSD currency pair. Let's go to a 15 minutes chart. This is where we got the breakdown in price action. This one also looks somewhat unclear, and 1 hour looks bullish, 4 hour looks bullish as well. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc. Swiss franc is still trying to move sideways. The way I see, market is probably going to rise up to test this old swing high, the red one, the red color highlighted area over here. So in 15 minutes time frame, we also got kind of a change in trend over here, but I'm waiting for the price action to break higher first. Next one is the spot gold. The trend is up in spot gold. Okay, it's an uptrend going on, and I expect more ups. This was the triangle breakout right over here, and market rallied up more. This was the triangle pattern right over here inside spot gold, so I expect more upside. Now if you have taken a buy down over here, then a good idea is to move your stop loss up, lock in few pips profit and let it run. Do not try to buy now at the current price. It would, it's not a good idea to buy now. It has already moved. Spot silver is going up, and I expect more upside. Regarding the spot silver chart, we have two resistance levels. First one is already taken out, and I think the next one would be 0.786. So let me change this one, 0.786. This one goes over here. Okay, so this is the level which market is probably going to hit it, and if we get some sort of a reaction over here, then fine, otherwise let it go. USDCAD market is trying to rally over here as well. Let's see. Yes, it's trying to bounce from 50%. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. Okay, we have this resistance up here. So far no breakout. It is possible to get a breakout over here. Let's see. Okay, the 15 minutes time frame shows a bullish breakout over here, but in 1 hour it's still a downtrend. This could change into an uptrend as well, by the way. Next one is the USDJPY. USDJPY turned sideways. Earlier today I took 2 sell trades in US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair and only made few pips profit, and then market just tried to rise back up over here to the downside, and I have placed my sell stop pending order at 146.67 area. We will see how the price action is going to react over here inside US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. Next, let us take a look at pound yen. GBPJPY price action is trying to rise up over here, and if we get a new high, if we get a new high in price action, then look for a possible sell trade set up over there. Otherwise, wait outside. Or another idea is to wait for the price action to break below 195.33 support area, and then look for a potential sell trade. So we got the bullish breakout, and the way I see market is probably going to rise up more. Okay, so it seems we have got a wave C, looks complete, and the chances are high that the GBPJPY is going to rise up more. Next one is the Euro Yen currency pair. I'm expecting further upside in Euro JPY currency pair. Let me see what the radar screen is telling me regarding the Euro JPY currency pair. Okay. Euro Yen I think is trying to rise up over here. Let's take a look at Euro Yen chart. This this whole thing could turn into a triangle pattern. We need more price action. Once market complete all the triangle legs, then I might be interested in a potential sell trade plan. Otherwise, wait outside in Euro versus Japanese yen currency pair. Next one is the CHF JPY currency pair. CHF JPY, the way I see market is probably going to drop more. We will see how the price action is going to react once it hit the 179.58 area. This is the 4-hour chart of CHF JPY. So far price action is staying below this red color zone over here, 183.52 level. So I expect further weakness in price action of Swiss franc versus Indonesian currency pair. Next one is the Euro AUD. Euro AUD, it's probably going to drop first, then wait for a bullish breakout above 1.7966 area. So the way I see Euro AUD currency pair, wait for bullish pullback. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. So in 4-hour time frame of Euro versus Australian dollar currency pair, price action is probably going to drop to reach this old swing low over here. Use your own day trading strategies to try to look for a potential buy trade setup over here. If you do not have a day trading strategy, check out my website. You can learn it. WTI crude oil downtrend. The forecast is bearish in WTI crude oil. I'm waiting for the price action to close one more bearish stick below 63.70 level. That would be a good indication that market wants to resume the downtrend. Inside oil, regarding the 4-hour time frame, we might get a bullish pullback around 68.30 area. So if price action is going to hit this level, then we will see how the price action is going to react. Okay, this is the current analysis, and if you have any questions, feel free to type inside the chat box. And I will be happy to answer your questions related to these forex pairs. And regarding the USDJPY currency pair, I have placed my sell stop pending order at 146.67. Let's see how the market is going to fill it or not. Euro dollar, yes, if you take a look at the radar screen over here, the euro dollar is trying to drop over here actually, but the problem is there is no confirmation. We might get a confirmation maybe after 2 hours or 3 hours time. You see right now euro dollar, it's trying to print a top over here. This is the 1-hour chart of euro versus United States dollar currency pair. So we might get a top over here, but it's a little bit early to label it as a top. So maybe by the end of the New York market session we will get a confirmation regarding the euro dollar currency pair that it wants to go down. It's possible, I mean. Okay, I think I have answered most of your questions. So let's see how the market is going to in 15 minutes we have actually a top. If you check out the 15 minutes time frame of euro dollar currency pair, we already got a drop of about 65 pips over here, and this whole thing could go sideways and we might select to the downside, but this overlapping is a concern over here. In terms of Elliot Wave, we should not get an overlap, but we got the overlap over here. So it's quite possible that this retracement or a pullback, and sooner or later price action is going to rise up one more time in Euro USD currency pair. The probability is a bit low for 15 minutes chart, but it's a high probability if we get a top in a 1-hour time frame. So currently 1-hour time frame, no confirmation of a top in euro versus United States dollar currency pair. Okay, any other questions? I hope I answered most of your questions. If you like my analysis, if you find it useful, hit the like button as well. So that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and I will try to host the Asian session after, I would say, 11 to 12 hours time. Okay.